Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
So, before we go on with the characteristics, we are going to look at how does a general structure of a protozoa look like. And in this case, we shall take an example of an amoeba. So, the amoeba looks like this. One, you can see that it's a single cell. It's a single cell, as we have mentioned here. It's unicellular. That means that if it's a single cell, you cannot see it with the naked eyes, so it's microscopic. You can only see it with the aid of a microscope. The other characteristic, we've said that it has a nuclear membrane. So we have a nucleus there, and that nucleus is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. Then we are saying that there are other organelles that are found there. So you may have things like the mitochondria. You may have others such as the contractile vacuole. We may have others such as the food vacuole. So we can label this. This is the cell membrane. This is the contractile vacuole. The nucleus. And we are saying that the nucleus is membrane bound. That means that it is bound by a nuclear membrane. We will also look at the food vacuole. And we can also look at the cytoplasm inside there, that fluid. We'll also have the mitochondrion. Note the mitochondrion is singular. When there are many, they are called mitochondria. So like we have mentioned in point number 3, they have many organelles such as mitochondria. Mitochondria is when there are many. But when it is one, it's called the mitochondrion. A point to note there. So that is it. So this is a structure of an amoeba. That's a general structure of an amoeba. Now, there is also another point that you can see that the cell membrane is not uniform. It's not uniform. It has some projections, and those projections, we refer to them as the pseudopodia. So one is called a pseudopodium. We shall look at that as we look at the other characteristics. So basically, that is what we have learnt.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.